Now, and the race is on. King Ramfire, Pinay Beauty down on the inside. Game changer in between runners. Extraordinary also rising up is Carmelo. Mr. Tatler alongside My Wife Knows All and Papa Ethan is the early trailer. King Ramfire by Hapalan followed by Pinay Beauty. Carmelo racing in third by about 3 lengths. Extraordinary running in fourth. Game changer racing P from the outside. 6 Mr. Tatler. Papa Ethan moving up by Darrell. My Wife Knows All is now running at the tail of the field. Back to the leader, the favorite King Ramfire by about 3 lengths. Then here comes Game Changer racing on the outside together by Extraordinary. Papa Ethan, Mr. Tatler as they race the final corner. King Ramfire, Game Changer, firing it up for the lead. Extraordinary. Papa Ethan is on the further outside. King Ramfire, Game Changer, rushing up, moves up to grab the lead. Game Changer, once again is King Ramfire, and finally it's going to be King Ramfire, Game Changer. Number 5, Papa Ethan, Mr. Tatler.
Okay, so it's